Good morning. This is a C++ program that prints out a table of trigonometric functions using a for loop. The program first prints out a message to the console explaining that it will be generating a table of trigonometric functions for x values from 0 to 20 degrees. The program then prints out a header row of the table using the count function, which specifies the column names as x, sin x, cosine x, and tangent x. The table columns are separated by tabs. The program then enters a for loop that iterates from 0 to 20 degrees. During each iteration of the loop, the values of I is printed to the console using the count function, which represents the current value of x being evaluated. The program then calculates the radian equivalent of the current value of x using the sine function from the math.h library. The radian value is stored in the rad variable, which is declared as a double. The set precision function from the Ioman IP library is used to round the output of the sine function to 4 decimal places. The cosine and tangent functions from the math.h library are then used to calculate the cosine and tangent of the value of x in radians, respectively. These values are printed to the console alongside the values of sine using the count function. Once the loop completes, the program ends by returning to 0. The output of the program will be a table of trigonometric functions for x values from 0 to 20 degrees, with the sine, cosine, and tangent values for each x value displayed in their respective columns.
In conclusion, this C++ program effectively demonstrates how to use a for loop to print out a table of trigonometric functions for x values from 0 to 20 degrees. The program provides a clear example of how to use functions from the math. Calculate the sine, cosine, and tangent values for each x values, and how to format the output using set precision and Ioman functions. By following this example, users can learn how to write similar programs and improve their understanding of C++ programming concepts.